Few weeks ago, I did an unboxing video for a wireless earbud, F9-5. And I remember promising you guys I would be coming back here to do the review for the earbud if it really worth getting it at the price I got it for then. I've been using this wireless earbud for some couple of weeks now and it's been serving greatly. This wireless earbud was gotten from Jumia online store. So if you are interested in getting something like this, I'll put in the link, the product link in the video description. But before I dive in, I would like to appreciate you guys for all you've done for me, for all you've done for the growth of this channel, Design Tech Hub in the year 2024. And as well, I'm looking forward for a better 2025. Thank you for all you've been doing. I really appreciate. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, you are welcome. You are welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. Yeah, this is a wireless earbud. I've been using it now for some few weeks now, and it's been serving greatly, just like I mentioned earlier. This was gotten from Jumia online store at the price of 4,950 naira, excluding the delivery fee. This wireless earbud, it contains two earphones. As you can see here, these two red lights, that is for the earphones. It contains two earphones. The red light signaling the charging of the earpods. So yeah, and in the package as well, it contains more two ear cuffs. It has three in total, which is the small size, the medium size, and the large size, whichever one can fit into your ear. Also, you can use with these earbuds. You can use with the earphone when inserting into your ear. It comes with one pieces of charger. It's more charger for charging the case, for charging the earbud case. It has a manual. In the package, there is a manual for knowing how to use this effectively. So if you are interested in getting this, just like I mentioned earlier, I will put in the link to the product in the video description so you can get it from Jumia online store as well. This is really good. It is really efficient. It is good at its price. So I hope you will also enjoy using this if you get it. So thank you for watching, and thank you for watching again. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. See you in my next video. Until then, stay subscribed.